What is National Identity Card of Nepal? Nepalako Rastriya Parikayapatra Banako Keho. The National Identity Card of Nepal is an identity document that is issued by the Nepalese government to its citizens for identification purposes. It is also known as the Nepali National ID Card or Nepali Citizenship Card. The card contains personal information such as the individual's name, photograph, date of birth, gender, address, and citizenship status. The card is a requirement for various services, such as voting, opening a bank account, obtaining a passport, and receiving government benefits. The card is also used to prove citizenship and residency status in Nepal. In Nepal, the Department of National ID and Civil Registration, DNC, is responsible for issuing the National Identity Card. The process of obtaining the card involves submitting an application, along with supporting documents, such as a birth certificate and citizenship certificate. Once the application is processed, the individual is required to appear in person at a designated center to provide biometric data, such as fingerprints and a photograph, and to collect the card. Thank you all of you. Subscribe the channel for more updates.